Okay, it is April 2024 and we're off for a ride. We're on the Ducati Monster 1200. I've had this bike since 2020 and I really would like to ride it more, but it's been very rainy lately. Okay, here we go. Just going to turn around. And we're away. Audio recording is live and we're in the helmet. Just going to test the wind protection of the microphone by opening up my visor. See what happens. Did forget to bring my riding goggles today, so I'll probably have to have the visor down for most of the trip. Far so good with the recording. Hopefully you can hear my audio. We're going to meet my dad and my brother for a ride up Mount Nebo. Weather Bureau predicted rain all day today. I guess one day they'll get it right. Statistically speaking, I think they're below average. Random number generator would get it right more often. I suspect we'll come across a lot of Sunday afternoon drivers on this ride. Ducati Monster, about 150 horsepower. It's been a good bike, enjoyable. I'm not sure you need this much power though. about right on time. We're meeting at 2 o'clock. Quick sprint up to the cafe, some iced coffee, and then back again. It's compulsory to stop at the BP at the Gap to admire the other motorcycles. Fuel up if necessary, which I guess I could actually. Yep, fuel up. And we'll stop there.